Hello everyone. Every AI coding agent has the same problem. The moment you close the session, it forgets everything. But Xiaomi has just open sourced a new terminal coding agent called Mimo Code, and it is built to fix exactly that. It is completely free, and its biggest feature is long-term memory. It remembers your project across sessions, so it understands your code instead of starting from scratch every time. It is an open source project. It has 11.7k project 7k stars and under MIT license, but it is forked from OpenCode. Look at Mimo Code is built as a fork of OpenCode. It keeps all core OpenCode capabilities. And it's at persistent memory, intelligent context management, sub-agent orchestration, goal-driven autonomous loops, compose workflows, and self-improvement via dream and distill. That is based on open code. And now we will move to install and use this Mimo code. Just come here to the quick start section. You can use this curl command for Mac and Linux and open Windows PowerShell. We can use this command, but we will use this npm command to install Mimo Code CLI. So let's copy this and open PowerShell or CMD. Right click to paste that and press enter. So what it will do, it will install Mimo Code CLI and our Windows operating system. So after the installation, now to run this Mimo code, we will use this Mimo command to run Mimo code. You can read all these features of Mimo code as you can see this in this GitHub repository. These are the core features: persistent memory, intelligent context management, task tracking, goal and stop condition, sub-agent system, compose mode, workflows, all are listed here. So you can go through this repository and read all about this, or you can move to their blog also. So that's it. Just come here and now we will run Mimo to see the CLI tool of Mimo code. Or we can open a folder. Yeah, this is a C drive, but I will open a folder AI test and let's delete this, right click and open this path inside the terminal and we will run it here. So let's close it. We will run Mimo CLI here inside this path. So as you can see, this is the Xiaomi Mimo CLI tool Mimo code. And for tab, if you press tab button, so it will switch mode. Okay, right now it is on plan. Now back to compose, back to build mode. By pressing Ctrl plus P, so it will move to the setting. As you can see, these are the settings: switch session, switch model, open editor, stage. These are all things that you can go through the settings. And at sign is used to attach file, $sign per subagent, and slash per commands like for models and see all these models. The Mimo Auto is a free, okay, which is Mimo version 2.5. So you can find other free models also. Go through this and you will see with the free flag. As you can see, Gima 4, which is free, and other model like this Hermes 3. There are other models also, okay. LFM2, LFM2, these are also free. Laguna, these are also free, and Lalma. So there are lots of free models, but we will select the Memo Auto, okay, this one, which is a free model, and by default it is selected Memo Auto. So now let's start chatting using this Memo code. Like our first one will be like hello. So we will see the response of this. Hello, how can I help you today? So if you would like to build a project, so I will just tell this build a portfolio, build a 3D portfolio HTML site for front-end developer. So that's it. Let's press enter. So it will build this 3D portfolio HTML website for us. So it is just building. So if you want to move to the plan mode, to just plan first of all, so you can press yes, or if you want to just directly build your project, so we will press no, what it will do without plan. So stop. So I think let's move back. It says that is initial to go to the plan mode. Yes, let's try once again. We will just switch to the plan mode. Yeah, I will build a 3D portfolio website with 3.js for interactive 3D elements, smooth animations, and a modern dark theme. So it says completed these files like 3D portfolio. So let's open that. Look at this is index.html file. We will open it and see the result. As you can see, these are 3D objects. Build digital experience that matter, and at the top we can see the now bar, and down come here to the picture projects, and down from the skills and technologies like React, CSS, TypeScript. These are technologies, crafting pixel about me, and let's work together. So that's it. This was just a simple landing page which has been made just in seconds. So if you would like to build something beautiful, so you can just explain that one by one, so it will do that. Whenever you have a detailed prompt, so you will have a good result. So this was the result of Mimo Code, which was built based on by Xiaomi Mimo, and this is a free and open source tool that you can use instead of other agents like Claude Code or OpenCode or others. And you can select the free models also inside it without any credit card or login or sign up. So this is all about today. If the video was helpful, please hit the like button and also leave a comment to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.